What do you think about it?
I think that this is one mean machine.
That's that Red Shift 528 cam from Zipper's Performance, guys. Brand new, come get one. He got a little squirrely down the track, but I know he's gonna want to make another pass.
You're gonna have to work hard from here because that was a good pass.
Yeah. The new 2024 Road Glide is so new. The 117, I'm not even talking about the CVO. It's so new that it was hard to find some specs. But what I found was 12.7 in a quarter mile, and it did not list how many miles per hour that was. For the Indian Challenger, which is the direct competitor with the Harley-Davidson, quarter mile time is 12.72 at 105 miles per hour, which is fast for a full-size bagger. The Honda Goldwing, this may surprise a lot of people. 12.91 at 104 miles per hour. So yes, it is 0.2 slower than the Challenger. Out of those three bikes, bone stock, the new Harley-Davidson Road Glide is at the top of the list with a 12.7. So now that you know what to expect from a stock bike, let's see what this 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide with the 528 Red Shift cam from Zipper's Performance can do on the track. Back down like my mule, roads clear, tank full, kick back with my feet up. I twist back and I speed up. Left lane, pipes full, move fast but it's got more. Clear skies. Thank you, Lord, I'm gliding. Perfect day for riding. 500 in front of me and I'm right here where I wanna be. It's a beautiful day and I thank God for it all. I'm traveling tall. Me and the guys from Zippers, Dan Fitzmaurice, his son Kyle Fitzmaurice, and Build, Ride, Repeat, loaded up the bikes, took it to Capitol Raceway right outside of DC and ran a quarter mile. My helmet camera battery was dead. You will only get the rear facing view for this. That's the first time. Now I know how the bike feels. I did so many things wrong. Left the traction control on, had trouble putting it on the two-step, but the bike is really fast, but I only ran a 12.5 and I know it has way more.
Traction control. There you go.
There you go. You got it. I'm not doing a burnout. So I did a lot better this time, guys. I actually got to 12.06 and just right above that 11-second mark. this being my second pass on this motorcycle. Now you're gonna see Kyle Fitzmaurice, Dan's son. He's gonna ride the motorcycle down the track. He's gonna run that thing. Let's see if he can get it to the 11s. He was really close to it last time, but we're gonna see if he can get it to it this time. All right, guys, he got a little, yeah, he got a little squirrely down the track, but I know he's gonna want to make another pass. He's coming back up for another pass. So he's going avoid in the water box here. Can you believe that's just a cam? Can you believe that what he's running with just a cam? That's that Red Shift 528 cam from Zipper's Performance, guys. Brand new, come get one. He got into it. That was the pass right there. Where'd Dan go to? He missed it. 1169. He ran 1169. I'm gonna get my app out here, my Draggy app. Now, if you don't know what a Draggy is, that's a GPS tracking device. It measures your quarter mile, eighth mile, 60 foot, 60 miles per hour. It does all that. I'm gonna go straight to the top 20. Number 20 is a Harley-Davidson Livewire. Everybody knows those electric motorcycles are super fast. They have a lot of torque. They're super fast. The Livewire made a quarter mile pass in 11.77 seconds. This motorcycle ran 1169. So out of all these people on the Draggy app, this motorcycle broke into the top 20 with just a Red Shift 528 cam. What do you think about it?
I think that this is one mean machine.
What do you think you can get to? 11.4?
Realistically, probably 11.4, 11.5. If you
Take some work. It was good.
That launch, it stuck. It felt good. We had enough heat in the tire. The two-step lowered that, so it just like you said, it's a slight bog, but it was right in the power.
Oh yeah.
There might be a little bit in the shift points.
Oh.
I short shifted into fifth. You could probably figure something out where you could stay in fourth long enough, or you could put some gearing on it to hold fourth open. And
You're gonna have to work hard from here because that was a good pass.
That is impressive. And this is a motorcycle that you can ride daily, and this is something you can take to the track. It's a fantastic cam, guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. You'll see the next video where we're gonna be at the track. I'll be showing you my street glide and what we did to fix the wobble on it. So you don't wanna miss that. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell to be notified when that video comes up. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.